her grace, a tribute to her light. She was carved in silence from centuries of strength and fierce self-love, a sculpture that breathed, born from whispers of ancestors and dreams cast in bronze. She came alive to carry light. She is here, etched in time, grounded in the stars, lighting the sky from the earth. No sculpted hate can dim her fire, not theirs to mold, not theirs to shun. She shines, she leads, she's full of grace. She burns with love, she climbs up higher. She stood not to be admired, but awaken. And behind her blazes the sun, not just to follow, but to light her path and spill warmth across a world.